The Word of God is living. The Word of God is Jesus Christ manifest in the flesh. The Word of God is the carrier of the Spirit of God and indwell, inhabit, and occupy the Father too. The Word of God is from eternity with the Father. Jesus Christ is generated by the power of God, and at that moment the Word was made flesh. For this reality, the Word of God is powerful and sharper than any two-edged sword. The Word of God is more powerful than all the man-made atom bombs combined. The indwelling of the Word is so deep engraved in the whole of our being that Jesus Christ can from within every person brought about the division of soul and spirit, bone and marrow, even the very thoughts and intentions of the heart. The Word that is living as being in person and not just mere letters on paper, this Word exists central in the core of every being and human being, and will be in the final outcome the supreme authority over all our doing, coming and going. So much so that the consciousness in us will be completely Christ's rulership and not the desires of the things of this world.